hard enough to sleep. It's hard enough to be alone. I'm just trying to move along. Sometimes I do and then I don't. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell myself that it ain't healthy. Second guessing, it don't help me. I'm so tired of feeling empty. Dry my eyes, kind of fine. It seems like I'm always against me. Seems like this is never ending. And I refuse to let it be in me.